Good morning, everybody. Today we start differential equation of first order and higher degree. First order, that means the differential equation of the form dy dx, and higher degree, so its order is 1, 2, 3 increase. Okay. Now a differential equation of first order and nth degree is of the form p to the power n plus p1 p to the power n minus 1 p2 p to the power n minus 2 plus pn minus 1 into p plus pn equal to 0. Number 1, where small p equal to dy dx and capital P1 P2 P3 pn are function of x and y. Since it is a differential equation of first order, its general solution will contain only one arbitrary constant. In this chapter, we discuss three types of equation. Number 1, solvable for p. Number 2, solvable for y. Number 3, solvable for x. Now we discuss solvable for p. Let the equation 1 can be written as the factor for. So first factor p minus f1 xy, f1 xy, p minus f2 xy, p minus fn xn equal to 0, which is equivalent to p minus f1 xy equal to 0, p minus f2 xy equal to 0, p minus fn xy equal to 0. These are separately 0, and solve this equation separately. Now putting the value of p, that is dy dx. So we write dy dx minus f1 xy equal to 0, dy dx minus f2 xy equal to 0, dy dx minus fn xy equal to 0. Each of these equation is first order and first degree, which is separately solved, and we get f1, capital F1 xy comma c1 equal to 0, capital F2 xy comma c2 equal to 0, fn xy cn equal to 0, where c1 c2 cn be arbitrary constant. Hence the general solution of 1 is f1 xy c into f2 xy c fn xy c equal to 0, where c1 equal to c2 equal to equal to cn equal to c is a arbitrary constant. Now take a problem. Solve the equation p square minus p into e to the power x plus e to the power minus x whole bracket plus 1 equal to 0, where p equal to dy dx. Solution. Here p square minus p e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we write p square minus p e to the power x minus p e to the power minus x plus 1. So 1 can be written as e to the power x into e to the power minus x, this equal to 0. Now this is the factor form. P common, p minus e to the power x minus e to the power minus x common, p minus e to the power x, this equal to 0. So we get two factor, p minus e to the power x into p minus e to the power minus x, this equal to 0. These factors are separately 0. So first factor p minus e to the power x equal to 0, and second factor p minus e to the power minus x equal to 0. So first factor dy dx equal to e to the power x. Now integrating both sides, dy equal to e to the power x dx plus c1. So y equal to e to the power x plus c1. So y minus e to the power x minus c1 equal to 0. Another factor dy dx equal to e to the power minus x. So integrating both sides by variable separation, dy integrate dy equal to integration e to the power minus x dx plus c2. So y equal to minus e to the power minus x plus c2. So we get y plus e to the power minus x minus c2 equal to 0. So therefore the solution That is the general solution. Y minus e to the power x minus c into y plus e to the power minus x minus c equal to 0. So we write c1 and c2 equal to c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Now give some assignment. Problem number 1, solve p into p plus y equal to x into x plus y. Problem number 2, x square p square plus 3xy p plus 2y square equal to 0. And problem number 3, p square plus 2xp minus 3x square equal to 0, where p equal to dy dx. Okay, thank you.